Alright guys, so this is my new camera we are filming on right now. It's amazing. Get in. So yeah, let's go. So it's like a snowstorm right now. I don't know which one's better. But look, there's like snow right there. You can't really see, like the light is really bad. There's snow literally on my window. Yeah, the lighting and the quality is really bad on this camera. You can't really see anything in the dark. But like you can only see things in the light. So it does make sense. I just moved that door by closing my one. Like you can see that really well because it's in a light. So if I just, so whatever now is in the light you can see. So here's my puppet. Well, I promise you it's not that color, it's red. Yeah, see there's red. It's just on the camera, it's really bad. So I'm sorry, it's not my fault, it's just the way the camera is. Okay, so he's right here. Hi guys, what are you doing? I might be really bad at the mouth. Yeah. I don't. Is it bad? Is it bad? Guys, he has my hand. Guys, I can't film, he has my hand. Okay. Okay, monkey's filming. Don't drop the new camera, okay? Okay, so that's the curtain. Oh god, I just caught it. I said don't drop the new camera, and he almost dropped it. Okay, that's the big tennis ball. If I hold it up in the light, you'll see it better. Yep, there it is. I'm in my robe, because you know, snowstorm happening, you need to be prepared. Oh, here's my scooter. There it is. There's the deck. There is the bars. Blue grips. Yeah, they're blue. Bring it a bit better into the light. Yeah. Yeah, so they're blue. Doesn't look like it, but there's like Y and T bars. I'll just try and show you the storm right now the best I can.
Will we lay our fire outside, Alan? What do you think? Keep us warm.
Hey, move. I need to get this on camera.
I don't know that. I want to bring you up to Mommy and Daddy now.
Yeah?
At the door there.
Yeah.
Because they think we have a bad year.
Take a look at that. That is how bad the snow is.
Where's Ashley, Daddy? Look, there's Ashley.
She actually forgot about where she was going to go.
Ashley.
Thought she was home because she's doing She's definitely gone.
Do we not have a band in here, Hello?
Sorry, someone cursed there. It's not my fault, I can't do anything about that, but yeah, that was the snowstorm. Oh, Yannick Balassi. Oh god, I nearly hit myself. Yeah, so, bye.